Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to fix something went wrong on YouTube. If you're using YouTube and you're facing this type of issue that whenever you try to use your YouTube or you want to watch any video, you see an error that something went wrong. So let's see some possible fixes about that. So the very first thing, you have to double check your network connection that you have a stable and a strongest network connection. You can also try to enable and disable your airplane mode up to 4 or 5 times to make a quick refresh with all of your network settings. Then go back from here, open your settings app here, go for general, go for VPN device management, and you have to make sure that you're not connected to any VPN. If you're connected, try to disconnect with that. Go back from here, go for software update, and you have to try to make a software update. If you find any pending software updates here, try to update your software. Go back, open your app store. You have to simply search for YouTube app, and you have to make sure that you haven't any pending updates for your YouTube app. If you find trying to update your app, after updating your issue must be fixed. If it's still not fixed your issue, so you have to try to make a force restart your iPhone. In order to do that, you have to quickly press and release the volume up, then volume down, then press and hold the power button and wait for your phone until the screen goes fully black. So let's try this. You have to quickly press and release the volume up, then volume down, then press and hold the power button and wait for your phone until its screen goes fully black. And here, once you get the black screen, you just have to wait for Apple logo. And once you get the Apple logo, just release the button and wait for your phone until it restarts. After restarting, you have to unlock your phone, and here you have to check if your issue has been fixed or not. If it's still not fixed your issues, open your settings app, go for general, go for iPhone storage, look for YouTube app here. Once you get YouTube app, select that and you just have to try to offload your app. So after offloading, you have to delete or you have to reinstall apps. After reinstallation, your issue will be fixed if there is any bug or any malware in this or your YouTube app. It will fix in this app, and after that, you'll not get the issue again. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.